Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. As April quickly approaches, we know that YouTube has changed its policies, and there is a lot of fear right now going on that they are going to remove gun channels. If you look at the wording of their new policy, you will see that it's anything that promotes a firearm company, anything that promotes a product, any modification of a firearm. You know, it just goes on, and essentially it targets all of us that do gun reviews, that do range reviews, that talk about upgrades to firearms. We are all being targeted here, and that is really not too surprising to me because Google has not been 2A friendly all along. Like, there was a time when it was safe to make videos. You know, you felt like you could do what you want, you could say what you want, you could review whatever you were able to get your hands on, and slowly they've been chipping away at that. This has been happening for a while now. I've always thought it's been a matter of time before gun channels would eventually be removed, and it seems as if this is it. So I am currently searching out other platforms, and I will hopefully have a chance before I get bounced to let you know where I am. Now, I said before I get bounced because everything that I have done on this channel violates their new policies. Just about everything, because it is very loosely written, and the people who evaluate the content are not 2A friendly, and that's nothing new. This whole thing kind of reminds me of the guy who loses his job. You know people that had lost their job. You may have lost your job, and then all of a sudden you find a job that's better, and your old company offers you your job back, and you say, no, I'm fine where I'm at right now. I'm doing better. You may be making more money. You may like the hours better. You may like the people better. You may like your job requirements better. And you say, I am fine where I am at. That is how I'm approaching this whole thing. I want to find a network that is very 2A friendly, that invites people who are lovers of freedom, lovers of guns, lovers of 2A content, and say, come on in over here. We welcome you with open arms, and we're going to help this thing grow. One of the things I enjoy more than anything else is taking nothing and making it into something. If that means having to build on another network, then that's what it means. What this whole thing will not mean is that I or many other people will remain silent. That part to me is unacceptable. My biggest fear, though, is that we are going to have gun channels going off in all different directions, and that's one sure way to lose our community. If you have to log on and go into 8 different social programs to find the people who you like to follow, that's not a great thing. That's the one thing that YouTube offers, is that we are all right here, but very soon we will not be right here, and we'll all have to deal with that. I think we'll find something better eventually. Not sure how long it's going to take. I'm currently backing up all my stuff and getting ready, so when the time comes, I've got over 1,000 videos to throw onto another network, and I have a feeling it's going to be a little safer over there anyways. This Saturday, March 24th, is a Constitution rally at the state capitol in Lansing, Michigan. This is being hosted by Michigan Liberty Militia. Now, the media has portrayed militias as these people who are training to overthrow the government. Nothing could be further from the truth. So we are going to speak out on behalf of our 2A rights, but I also want to interview some militia people and bring them to this platform so that you guys can see firsthand that these are patriots, that these are freedom, 2A loving Americans who are not looking to overthrow the government. They're looking to keep their communities safe by providing security and anything else that they can offer their community. Excellent people, and I want to share that with you. If you are in Michigan and you have Saturday afternoon at 3 o'clock available, head on over to the state capitol in Lansing. I'm going to be there. I'm definitely going to say a few words. I very seldom show up anywhere without saying a few words. I look forward to doing that this Saturday, 3 o'clock at the Capitol in Michigan, Lansing, Michigan, on the 24th. That's all I have for now. We'll be back to, let you know where I or other people end up. One more thing real quick. I am thinking about inviting a bunch of channels over to this channel to put together a compilation of what their channel is and where they are looking to go, so that we can get a better idea of where these people end up, just so that we can share ideas and not be in 20 different directions. That's one sure way to divide the community. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.